Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Good evening. Are you ready to start our learning today? Apakah kalian tahu hari ini kita mau belajar apa? Apakah kalian sudah siap untuk memulai pembelajaran? If you're ready, like usually, don't forget to follow, like, and share this video so that you do not miss the lesson which I will give you in the next session. And do you know what we will learn today? Today we will learn about how to answer a story question. Hari ini kita akan belajar tentang cara menjawab soal cerita. When we have a story questions, when the text is so long, sometimes we feel confused and how to answer these questions. But the text is so long, we can memorize up the whole text and also we answer the question. Kalau kita tuh mendapatkan soal cerita yang ceritanya sangat panjang, kita kan bingung tuh kalau kita baca ceritanya lebih dahulu, lalu kita jawab tuh rasanya kan bingung, ini tadi yang mana sampai mana kan gitu kan. So the tips for answer the story questions is read the questions first. Baca pertanyaannya terlebih dahulu. Kalau kalian sudah selesai membaca, so the question is asked about what? The paragraph which in the questions. Paragraph mana yang ditanyakan. After that, you read the story again. When you find the answers, so you choose the answers between all of the answers with the answer of all of the story. But when you have questions, but in what do you know about the questions? Kalau kalian tuh meyakini pasti jawabannya ini, but according to text, tetap dibaca ceritanya. Walaupun itu terdengar tidak masuk akal, even though it here not make sense. Kalau ada berita according to the text, according to the writer, itu artinya di cerita tersebut atau dalam penulis tersebut, perhatikan penulisnya. So you must focus in the topic. Kalian harus konsentrasi pada topik tersebut. When the topic is about in the first paragraph, so you read the first paragraph and what's the present sentence, it's what it means about the first paragraph. And after that, you can find the answers is true. Maka itu akan membantu kalian untuk menyelesaikan soal. So there are the others technique for answer the story. There are skimming, scanning. Skimming is you found the information is so fast and you read the story is so fast. And scanning, you found the information is so fast. And scanning is you find the main idea is fast from all of the text. Jadi dalam teks tersebut adalah scanning tuh membaca cepat. Jadi intinya tuh bagaimana dalam cerita tersebut. The main idea if the story is what. So after that you choose the option of the sentence. So which options can match of the story. Opsi mana yang cocok dalam cerita tersebut. Until now, do you get the point? If you do not get the point, I will repeat once again. When you find the story questions, don't read the story first. So read the question first. Jangan baca ceritanya terlebih dahulu. Baca pertanyaannya terlebih dahulu. And you think about what the questions mean. Apa maksud dari cerita tersebut? And after that, you read the text with the text means. Like contohnya, according to the paragraph 2. Perhatikan tentang paragraf kedua. So you focus to where's the paragraph 2 and what's the questions mean about the paragraph 2. Jadi kamu tuh hanya fokus di paragraf kedua dan maksud dari pertanyaan tersebut dan apa yang ditanyakan. The example is about the story is about mouse deer and crocodile, and the text asks about what mouse deer do when he want to get many fruits. Jadi apa yang dilakukan kancil tersebut untuk mendapatkan buah tersebut. And the story is the mouse deer called the crocodile to make a bridge, and mouse deer count the crocodiles is for 3 crocodiles, and after that the mouse deer will give the meat for the crocodiles. So the mouse deer tricked the crocodiles. So you found the options. Which options will match with the story? Opsi mana yang cocok dari cerita tersebut? So I think that's all for this lesson today. Thanks for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.